Welcome student in online maths. Student, in 10th maths first, we had learned some topics. Today we will start topic number 2, quadratic equation. Students, as you know that what is meant by equation, you have already learned in 8th and 9th standard. We had also discussed the various types of the polynomial, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, okay, monomial, binomial, trinomial. You had already learned. What is meant by linear equation? When we say that the equation is a linear equation, if the equation has degree 1, then we call it as linear polynomial. And when we say that the equation has quadratic equation, if the equation's degree is 2, then we call it as quadratic equation. Okay? There are two types we have seen. Linear equation, and when we say it is quadratic equation, linear there is degree 1, and quadratic, if the degree of that polynomial is 2, then we call it as quadratic equation. And linear degree is 1. For example, what are the linear equations then? For example, see 2x minus 4. This is linear equation because here degree is 1. Also we write as x minus 3. This is also linear equation. Okay? And what is quadratic equation? If you write x square plus 4x minus 9. Or you can write 3n square minus 6. This is quadratic equation because here degree is 2 and in this degree is 1 present. So we call it as linear equation. Now in this topic we will see about what is meant by quadratic equation, how to solve quadratic equation by different ways. We will see in this topic. Now we start. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? How we write quadratic equation in standard form? When we say that the equation is quadratic, any equation in one variable and its maximum index is 2, that is its degree is 2, then we call it as quadratic equation. So its standard form is, that is general form, we write as this quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where these a, b, c are any real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Here a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Then we say that this is the quadratic equation. So the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of this quadratic equation. Okay, understand? Now we have to write the given equation in standard form. How to write the given equation in standard form? I here write some examples. See here, I have written examples. X square minus 4 is equal to 0. We have to write these three equations in standard form. How to write standard form? Which is the standard form here? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. So here we convert this in standard form. See how the standard form is x square term is present here. Then x term is absent here. So we write as 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Okay. Now here first write y square term, then y term, take these 2y here minus 2y, 7 here plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. plus c is equal to 0. Instead of x variable, here y variable is present. Here also write as first x square term, then x term, and then constant. Here constant term is absent, so write as 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Also from this standard form, we write the values of a, b, c. What is the value of a here? 1. B, value of b is 0, and value of c is minus 4. Also here, what is the value of a? Y square coefficient 1. What is the value of b here? Coefficient of y is b, minus 2, and constant term is c. And last example, x square coefficient लगाए किस साइड a, x का coefficient b, and constant terms a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and here c is 0. Okay, understand what is the standard form of the quadratic equation? We write in form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And we convert the given equations, quadratic equation in standard form. Also, we comparing, we calculated a, b, c. Student, now we see some examples in practice set 2.1. What is the question 1 of the practice set? Write any two quadratic equations. Write any two quadratic equations means you may write, it is open-ended question. You may write any quadratic equation of where, how to write this? You write the equation which contains degree 2. Any quadratic equation in any variable. You can write this. Now, what is the question second see? Question second is given. Decide which of the following equations are quadratic equations. We have to decide which of the are quadratic equations. So, here I write some example. I show you, remaining solve you. X square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find this is quadratic equation or not. What is the possibility of quadratic equation? If its degree is 2 in one variable and degree is 2, then it is quadratic equation. Observe first example. Here variable present is x and its degree is 2. Degree is highest index. Here index is 0, here 1, here 2. Therefore it is quadratic equation. So how write here? The degree of variable, the degree of variable x is 2. Therefore given equation is, we write as given equation is quadratic equation. This given equation is quadratic equation. Okay, here degree is 2, therefore it is quadratic equation. To write this step, the degree of variable x is 2, therefore it is quadratic equation. Now observe second example. Y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Here at denominator y is present. So at the denominator y, we cancel it by multiplying both sides by 1. Multiply both sides of the equation by 1. We get y square into y means y square into y plus 1 upon y into y is equal to 2 into y. Y square into y becomes y2. Y get cancelled, plus 1 is equal to 2y. Here observe, here degree is, here variable present is 1. Y2 plus 2y becomes minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now observe here, here variable present is y and its degree is 3. So it is not quadratic equation because we want degree 2 for quadratic equation. So here degree of variable y is 3. Therefore, it is not quadratic equation. It is not quadratic equation. Okay, why it is not quadratic equation? Answer. From this you do not judge it is quadratic equation or not. Simplify and then further decide it is quadratic equation or not. Okay. Similarly, this example is also same. Here at the number x is there, so multiply both sides of the equations by x. We get x into x square plus here x get cancelled 1 is equal to minus 2x. That is x square minus 2x becomes plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now observe here variable is x, only one variable present and its degree is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. You may write here degree of variable is 2, therefore it is quadratic equation. Okay. One more example is given here. See, observe m plus 2 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. Means here only by observation we can't decide it is quadratic equation or not. Why? Because here is m, here is n. You may call this as linear equation, but not. You should simplify and then decide it is quadratic equation or not. So first simplify. This is binomial. You had learned in 8th standard multiplication of binomial by binomial. First multiply with m into m minus 5. Then multiply with 2 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. Multiply m into m square minus 5 into m 5. Then 2 into m 2m plus minus 2 5 are 2 is equal to 0. That is m square, collect like terms, minus 5m plus 2m becomes minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. Now this equation further simplified we get becomes m square minus 3m minus 3 is equal to 0. Now decide this is quadratic equation or not. Here variable present is m and its degree is 2. Give here the degree of variable m is 2. Here variable present is m and its degree is 2. Therefore, given equation is quadratic equation. Given equation is quadratic equation. Okay, understand how to find given equation is quadratic equation or not? You have 1 mark question. Whether decide the given equation is quadratic or not. You can simplify in this way. Okay. Now see question 3rd. What is the question 3 here? Write the following equation in standard form and write the values of a, b, c. Or write the given equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This means write the given equations in standard form and calculate the values of a, b, c. You have to calculate the values of a, b, c. See, I give you 2 examples and many examples solve you. First example is 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. See here, we have to write this equation in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This standard form means here variable is x present, any variable you can take. Here variable present is y. RHS is 0. Make RHS 0. So take all the term on the RHS to LHS. Y square here minus becomes plus. Plus 2y is here. Then 10 becomes minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. It is standard form. Standard form of given equation. It is the standard form of given equation. Okay. First one is of square, then of degree 1, and then constant term. Also we have to find the values of a, b, c. So we compare given equation. What is the given equation now? Y square plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. With a, instead of x variable we take here y variable. A y square plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form in variable y. So compare y square. What is the a? Value of a is here, the coefficient is 1. Then what is the value of b? 2. And what is the value of c? Minus 2. So we calculate the values of a, b, c, and we write the equation in standard form. Okay, this question you can also carry 1 mark or 2 mark. Here half of mark or 1 mark each. Okay. Similarly, see second example. X minus 1 bracket square is equal to 2x plus 3. Here, first simplify this square. It is of the form a minus b bracket square. What is the expansion? A minus b bracket square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Expand this first x square minus x into 2. Multiplication and x twice. X into 1, x, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3 as it is. Now collect right terms, take all on the LHS. X square minus 2x plus 1, take this all, minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So becomes x square minus 2x and minus 2x. Collect like terms. Minus 2x becomes minus 4x. And 1 minus 3 becomes minus 2. Plus minus 3 minus 1 2 greater than the sign minus is equal to 0. Okay, we write it in standard form. See, observe this is standard form. Yes, it is the standard form. It is standard form of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Now we have to find the values of a, b, c. Compare x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, here I write x square, actually x, constantly level. So observe y square, y and constant. Means we have to compare. Compare करना हमारा easy होगा. खाली लिखा है. Now compare x square. What is the a? A is 1. What is the b here? X means b, value of b is minus 4. And what is the value of c? Value of c is minus 4. Okay. The remaining example in question 3 solved. Now see question 4. Determine whether the values of given against each of the quadratic equation are roots of the equation or not. We have to find that it is the given quadratic equation has the root or not. या दिलेल्या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये जे दिले व्हॅल्यू आहे x ची व्हॅल्यू काय दिली 1 आणि मायनस 1 हे रूट आहे का नाही आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे. When we say that the given value is the root of that equation or not, when we say that it is root, after putting this value in LHS, if LHS and RHS become equal, then we say that it is equation. Okay, so कधी इक्वेशन आहे म्हणाले ना, सपोज मी असे लिहितो x plus 5 is equal to 6. x ची व्हॅल्यू 1 ठेवली काय येईल का x, LHS आणि RHS सेम येतात का 1. x ची व्हॅल्यू -1 ठेवली तर काय येईल का 4 into 6 नॉट इक्वल टू, म्हणजे ज्या x ची व्हॅल्यू p LHS आणि RHS ची व्हॅल्यू काय ते LHS आणि RHS सेम येतात, त्यांना काय म्हणणार आहे आपण, त्याचं ते सोल्युशन आहे असं म्हणतात. ओके, so here we have to find x is equal to 1 for first step for x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1 साठी क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन सोल्युशन आहे का नाही हे पहिलं बघूया. LHS, what is the LHS here? x square plus 4x minus 5. Put in the LHS value of x as 1. So here 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. 1 square 1 plus 4 minus 5. 4 plus 1 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 0. Means LHS becomes 0. And RHS also 0. RHS is also given 0. Here LHS is equal to RHS. LHS and RHS का काय आहे सेम आहे. Therefore x is equal to 1 is solution of given quadratic equation. Therefore it is solution of given quadratic equation. Okay, understand? Now for x is equal to -1, we see, observe, for x is equal to -1. What is LHS? First write LHS. X square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. We observe for x is equal to -1. Put the value of x as -1. -1 square plus 4 into -1 minus 5. So here not equal to 0. Okay, -1 square. Square is always positive. So -1 square is 1. Plus minus minus. 4 ones are 4 minus 5. 1 as it is -4 and -3 becomes -9. Plus minus minus 9 minus 1 8 minus. Here LHS becomes -8. And what is RHS here? RHS is 0. Here LHS and RHS are not equal. Here LHS not equal to RHS. Both are same. Therefore x is equal to -1 is not solution. Is not solution of given quadratic equation. Therefore it is not solution. Okay, understand? When it is solution, if LHS and RHS become same, then it is solution of the given quadratic equation. And if LHS and RHS are not same, then it is not solution. Okay, understand? Now see last two example, question number 5 and question number 6 in practice set 2.1. Both are similar. Question number 5 and question number 6 are same. I here solve question number 6, you solve question number 5. What is question 6? One of the root of the equation 5n square plus 2n plus a is equal to 0 is -5 minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. What is given? One of the root of the quadratic equation. This quadratic equation has one root given. What is the given root? Minus 7 upon 5. This is root of this quadratic equation. Okay, understand first meaning? या quadratic equation से root काय आहे minus 7 upon 5. म्हणजेच काय? Minus 7 upon 5 is root of this quadratic equation. So see the activity dash dash is root of the quadratic equation. कोणतं रूट दिलं का? minus 7 upon 5. Minus 7 upon 5 is the root of the quadratic equation. Okay. Such type of activity are there in your question paper. In question number 2A and in question number 3A. Okay. So these activity are very easy. You only fill the boxes correctly. You get to answer that question. So this is minus 7 upon 5 is root of this equation. So put m equal to minus 7 upon 5. हा कसा रूट आहे म्हणजे काय की व्हॅल्यू काय करते ते इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करते. विचारायचा क्वेश्चन कोणते आहे? सो पुट वेअर इज m हियर? पुट minus 7 upon 5 means 5 m square. m means minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k. यामध्ये ऑब्जेक्ट काय घेतले? minus 7 upon 5. Okay. So here simplify this 5. See simplify here 5 into 7 square 49 upon 5 square 25. 5 answer by 5 5 means answer is 49 upon 5. And here plus minus becomes minus 7 to the 14 upon 5 means here 49 upon 5 plus minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Now here k as it is, simplify this. Denominator is same here. Observe denominator is same. Add the numerator 49 plus minus minus 14 means 49 minus 14. 9 minus 4 5. Add the denominator 5 as it is. 4 minus 1 means 35 upon 5. What is the answer here? Here you direct write 35 upon 5. 5 seconds. Means after simplification it becomes 7. Do this calculation rough because your only one box is there. You write here directly answer. 7 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore value of k is minus 7. Okay, understand? Here minus 7 upon 5 is one root given. So we put the value of m as minus 7 upon 5. 5 as it is. M square means minus 7 upon 5 bracket square plus 2 as it is. Equal m value minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Okay, and then simplify this to get the value of k. So student, in this video we have seen what is given by quadratic equation, how to decide if it is quadratic equation or not, then what is write the given equation in standard form, and then calculate the value of a, b, c. Also we have seen the given solution is solution of that quadratic equation or not. So today your homework is solve practice set 2.1 completely in your notebook. See you in the next video. Thank you.